Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Waffles. How are we doing today? It is 3:26 in the morning, or not in the morning, in the afternoon. I've been up for a couple hours, but I've been keeping it really relaxed because of my sore throat. I don't want to stress my body out too much. I was planning on going on a run today, but I woke up and my throat was actually hurting more than it was yesterday, so I needed to relax. It's getting a lot better because of my relaxation, so ideally it'll be gone by the end of the day, so I can start running tomorrow. Well, yeah, I'll be able to run tomorrow, but I have both of my jobs that I have to work tomorrow, so that is going to be interesting. So, yeah, I'm stuffed up, as you guys can obviously tell. I just finished editing my vlog, so that's going to be going up here in the next probably half hour. And it's time to get something to eat because I'm very hungry. Alright, well, I am done with eating. I made myself some oatmeal with raisins and sugar and ate a banana with a glass of orange juice. And now I'm headed to work. I work at AMC. It's going to be super fun. It's probably going to be super boring. And Dave and I are actually going to be watching a movie after I get off work, so it's going to be very fun and exciting. So yeah, time for work, I suppose. See you when I'm off. Alright, so I'm almost about to get off, like 15 minutes away from getting off. And I just got the hiccups like 5 or 6 minutes ago. And they feel like they're going to last for a really long time. So let's hope they don't. Well, I just got off work, and because Dave and I are planning on seeing a movie, I'm not going to have a lot of time, nor have I really eaten anything today. So I'm going to be getting some Chipotle because I barely have enough time to eat it and then see the movie. So off to my most favorite restaurant of them all.
The good news, bum.
Sorry guys, I'm just feeling a little bit out of it today, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. Make sure you guys hit that little subscribe button. Okay, give me a second, this TV's getting up. Make sure to hit that little subscribe button if you want to come back tomorrow and hang out. Today's inspirational quote, give me 1 second. It comes from Hugh Allen. Jumping at several small opportunities may get us there more quickly than waiting for one big one to come along. So with that, everyone, welcome all you newcomers. Thank you guys for coming and checking my channel out, and love you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, Girl Scout! Also, really quick, make sure to tweet me with the use the hashtag Tipis try this. Give Dave and I suggestions. We're going back to jungle gyms in a few days, and we need your suggestions to help with the next episode of Let's Try This. If we don't get anything, we're just going to pick 4 or 5 things at random that we've never tried. It could be from anywhere, but let us know. Hashtag Tipis try this.